explore the Western world's continuous opposition towards Islam and Muslim-majority countries, driven by a fear of Islamic culture and values. Learn how Western strategies aim to destabilize and suppress Muslim societies. Under the leadership of America, the Western war against Islam and Muslims supports direct colonization, conspires against every democratic experiment in Muslim-majority countries by orchestrating coups, establishes and supports authoritarian regimes, and grants them international legitimacy. It establishes bases in every inch of Muslim-majority areas. The open war by Western conservatives and the covert efforts by Western liberals to destroy Islam in the name of reform. Looting the wealth of Muslims and impoverishing them. Constantly trying to keep Muslims engaged in these activities so that they do not emerge. All these are clear evidence that the West is very afraid of Islam and Muslims, and the Muslims who are free in their homeland are the strongest opponents capable of defeating the supposedly superior Western liberal values both civilizationally and morally. This is not a clash of powers, it is an ideological clash. While China and Russia are respectable rivals, they do not offer an alternative to Western liberalism and the fractional reserve banking system. Continuing wars in countries like Syria, Iraq, Libya, Afghanistan, and Turkey under various pretexts is a grand conspiracy to prevent the Islamic world from emerging. The West is also terrified of Muslims because Islam is the only religion in the world that has preserved its culture, civilization, and family. Often, the West, having abandoned its religion, its civilization, and its culture, has become a supporter of nudity in the name of freedom. In the West, there are no families. Newborns are raised in orphanages, elderly parents are placed in old age homes, and husbands and wives live in live-in relationships with other men and women. However, this is not the case in Islam. There is not a single orphanage, old age home, or live-in relationship system in the name of concubinage among Muslims.
I bear witness that there is no God worthy of worship except Allah, and that Muhammad is his final and last messenger. Welcome to Islam, my brother.
Islam is spreading very rapidly in the West, which is another reason for the West's fear of Muslims. Western people are now tired of nudity, but no matter how much oppression is done to Muslims, no matter how much they are made oppressed, Muslims will never abandon their religion, culture, or civilization, and they will never accept modern Western civilization. So that was today's informative and knowledgeable information. For similar information, news, and accurate analysis, stay connected. You are watching Social Democratic News ST24 English, and I am Yusra Parveen.